Hello lovely people, welcome to our channel Cooking Plan. I hope you all are doing great.
In this video, we will see how to make soft, airy and moist chocolate Oreo cake. Along with that, I'm also going to show you how to make Oreo chocolate ganache. So let's start the video.
Before starting the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon to get post notification.
First step, we need to prepare the baking tin. For that, I have added 1 tablespoon oil. Grease the oil evenly. You can also use butter or ghee. Add some water. It will moisture the cake and save your cake from burning. Sprinkle the maida. If you have butter paper, you can skip this step and simply line the butter paper into the tin. Now our baking tin is ready. Let's bake the cake. So here I have got 40 Oreo cookies. You need to separate the cookie and the cream. Collect the cream into the bowl because using this cream we are going to make delicious Oreo ganache out of it. So this is the cream which I'm going to keep aside. Now we need to grind the Oreo biscuits into a fine powder. Take it out into a bowl. Now add in half tablespoon of baking powder, pinch of soda, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You can adjust the sweetness as you want. Now give a good mix. You can also use 1.5 tablespoons of ENO instead of baking powder and soda. Here I have taken 5 tablespoons of milk and adding in half tablespoon ghee. You can also add butter into it. Now adding the milk little at a time and go on mixing the batter. And add the milk in batches to avoid any lumps. The consistency of the batter should be smooth and flowy like so. Transfer this mixture into the prepared baking tin. Make sure you pour the batter in the center of the mold. Once filled, tap it a bit to release any air bubbles. I am using non-stick kadhai for baking the cake and the baking ring. Well, if you don't have the baking ring, you can simply just keep any small plate and you can bake the cake. I have already preheated the kadhai for 5 minutes. In kadhai, place the baking tin. First you need to cook it for 5 minutes on medium flame, then lower the flame completely and cook it for 25 to 30 minutes on low flame. You can check your cake after 25 to 30 minutes. Insert any toothpick or knife. If it's not done, cook it for some more minutes. Cover the cake with some piece of cloth and let it completely cool down for 30 minutes. So our cake is cooled down. Run the knife between the cake and the tin so that the cake would loosen up its side. Now flip the cake onto the plate. See how soft and moist the cake is. When I am pressing it, it just bounces back. That's a good sign that your cake has been baked perfectly. This is the cream which we had kept aside. To this add 1 tablespoon of milk. Microwave it for 1 minute. Mix the melted cream until there are no lumps in it. Add in 3 tablespoons of chocolate spread. If you don't have chocolate spread, add 3 to 4 tablespoons cocoa powder and mix. You need to set this ganache into the fridge for 4 to 5 minutes. Already the ganache looks so tempting. Our ganache is ready. Let's prep the cake. Let's flip the cake. On top of the cake, add the milk. The milk is on room temperature. This step is totally optional. And after that, add our delicious Oreo ganache which we had prepared. It already looks so delicious and it tastes too. You can make this simple design by using the back of the spoon. It will give a smooth finish look to our cake. Sprinkle some powdered sugar on sides of the cake. This is choco chips and it's for decoration, so it's totally optional. And I'm also adding some tutti frutti. You can add any toppings you like on your cake. So here is our delicious creamy cake is ready. While serving the cake, drizzle some chocolate ganache on top of it. Now it's tasting time. Let's taste this yummy delicious creamy Oreo chocolate cake. You should definitely give this recipe a try. The cake is very soft and moist, and the ganache just takes the cake into the next level. I hope you liked the recipe and thanks for watching the video.